Tom.
Chaos control!
You did it. You kicked him.
You! Don't
Me!
With the Chaos Emerald's power, I control time and space. You can't break free. I won't give up!
No!
It all depends on me. Can't lose. Not when I'm so close.
Another one?
Chaos control!
Portal open.
Induced chaos control.
Well, yeah, I'm a protagonist hedgehog with a Chaos Emerald. Of course I can.
And save the world. Mephiles isn't trying to help you create a better future.
How do you know?
He's trying to eliminate the past. What? What are you talking about?
I'm talking about the fact that your head looks like a glove.
It seems we must see what took place 10 years ago.
I bet if I skinned you, I could slide you easily over my hand. Dive straight into the wormhole. Is this foot going through the ground? It was!
An electromagnetic pulse has just been generated, injecting a decompression agent. No, the level's not dropping.
Oh no!
A spatial meltdown is inevitable. My lord, it's too late. We've got to take shelter.
No, Mephiles, don't take shelter!
Why do you refuse to listen to my voice?
We've been over this. You're trying to make me into a power source. Oh my god. They're dead.
Is that? Flame. It's Iblis. And the Black Shadow is the original Mephiles. That's Mephiles?
Wow! He looks so much younger 10 years ago!
Split up. I'll pursue Mephiles. Okay, then leave Iblis to me. Wait.
You're alive!
Seal it with this.
We've been over this before! I'm not touching it at the shaft!
Hurry!
Well, I'm dead. Good night, daughter.
A laboratory like this? Under Soleanna?
Oh my god! Can I grab the I can grab magnet balls! Look at all these balls I can grab! Is that a get stunned! There we go. Oh no!
You go and leave the rest up to me.
Leave the rest up to me. Soleanna. Oh, nope, the door just opens. All right. I remember this. Yeah, this is that part that was awful. Uh-oh. Oh, he's gonna dive? He didn't. Oh, he worm dive. Okay. Shadow secret attack. The. Oh yeah, when you kill them, they go. Oh, for God's sake! No, he worm dived again. guess I'll just sit here and wait for him to come back out.
There's no strength in numbers.
Hello! Bah! It's over there. Oh! Except going into this, I didn't nearly have.
Shadow, I'll be looking out for your truth.
Your truth and nobody else's. Interesting. Ah, I use this as a spring. Okay, maybe not. Up. Okay, let's go ahead and wait for that to. Can you like shoot a little bit closer to me, please? Thanks. Oh, I didn't even see that there. That blended in really well. Okay, well, I'm going up here. Nope, no, I'm not. Excuse me. Yep. Hey, what's up, guys? Doing all right? Ow! I have to barbecue, huh? Aw, they look like they were about to kiss. Puppy love. I love how the game. Oh, it's basically like, well, you know, he stunned them and he picked them up. I have no idea what to do with them, so let's just kill them. Flap, flap, flapping my albatross wings. Okay. Hey, Crushy Peter, you want to do me a solid? Thank you. No, wait! Hey, Crushy Peter, how you doing? Can you give me a ball? I don't think you're gonna give me a ball. I just gotta do the... Oh, God, okay. I guess I'm just doing that, then. For a little while. Oh, there you go! There's your ball back, Crushy Peter. Oh, right, there's a switch. Which... I could just go around like this! That entire second half of that is completely worthless. That's so dumb. That's so like, it's like, oh, intimidating, big laser fence. Oh wait, there's a hole in the fence. All right. Let's just, oh, come on, through the door. There we go. And then we'll drop you here. And then I'll stand on top. Oh God, I'm getting crushed. Oh, bye, box. I guess it wasn't meant to be. All right, good. Oh, fellas. Watch it with the language, huh? I think this one I need to use the lift on. Hurry up! Oh, wait, maybe not. Maybe so. Where the box is over there now. All right, I'm just gonna float over there. All right, already we'll all float on. Open the door. Get on the floor. This game is awful. I'm not gonna bother rhyming. It's just awful. Okay. Ah! Come back here! Oh. Ah! I just wanted to pick up your ball! I think we're gonna have a good time playing ourselves some nice soccer, but then you gotta be like, I'm a big old golem man. I'm gonna beat you up. And I'm like, no. Bad. I'm a big old golem man. I'm gonna beat you up. Thought we were friends. Anywhere he can go, he can get there by flying. Oh, goody. The lasers are gonna pop my balls. I think I got a bad pattern here because... Oh, wait. Wait! Easy. Turn the camera, Plox. Thank you. Plox. Listen to me. I'm a regular meme. Hey, get back up there, you dink. Okay. Don't do that again. Oh, hey, buddies. I'll kill one firebird with another. Brilliant. Was I? Okay, I was like, was I supposed to be down here? The answer became clear.
Look like they're guarding that door. Let's start by getting rid of them.
You trying to swoop down on me there, buddy? You're gonna have to go with no for that one. Oh, more? Come on, we've been through this song and dance already. I don't know why, I just don't like walking on the metal goo. It feels like something that would give that I'm supposed to take damage from. Shit! I love how like quickly they go flying when I hit them with that. God! They're just all like, Jesus! Okay. Okay, the fire breath was cute at first, but now it's just annoying. Okay. Okay. Okay, you're doing good. You're doing fine. Whoa! That was awesome! How do we do this? You no, I wanted to throw him at the other guy! Oh, what? I was like, that actually worked? And it did. Oh, I didn't hit him! Throw a ball at me, for God's sake. There we go. Woo! Aha! I'm supposed to go down here, because if not, that would suck. There's a lot that just wants me dead here. Wow! Alright! Okay! That wasn't cool! I just hear electricity everywhere, and it's really confusing me. Why can't I grab them? There we go. Uh-oh. Ah, made it! Oh, hello, Mr. Worm. Did those turn off? I don't think those turn off. Is this just a constant game of, like, stop and go? Well, killing the enemies didn't do anything. Hopefully I don't need the ball! And... made it. Oh! That's what I gotta do. Okay.